Hi guys, welcome back and thanks again for joining me on my ride today. Well, I'm doing about a 40-mile loop with only about 1,500 feet of climbing. It's mainly a road ride, this one. It's a loop up around Cullompton and Tiverton. So as usual guys, let's go and see if we see anything interesting on today's ride. Weather-wise, yeah, it's rather cloudy, but there's blue sky up there. And there's no rain forecast for today. There's the most incompetent police force in the country, I reckon. Devon and Cornwall Police. Absolutely useless. Yeah, that's the headquarters for Devon and Cornwall Police. I think they were on special measures, or they are still on special measures. I'm not really sure. But after the initial investigation into the Anne Widdecombe case, it proves they're still very much incompetent. Yeah, I use this cycle path all the time. It leads straight from my house, and it's a great warm-up track, really, if you know what I mean. Whenever I'm going this way, get the old blood pumping before I get out on the road. I always miss these lights. Yeah, which is a shame because they take ages to recycle back to green for me. Roadkill here on this road. Poor fox there, and a rabbit. Oh, you know, I haven't been this way, it seems like for ages. Yeah, so this road will take me all the way to Cullompton now, guys. And I'll go from Cullompton to Tiverton. Little waiver, look. That's always a good overtake. That van, yeah, room for improvement, I think. And that car, but not too bad. Did that van overtake? I've not had a look behind me, so I'll wait for the surprise. Probably a tractor or something. There we go. That one there went out into the third lane, I believe. Must have been holding up a bit of traffic himself. There it comes. Yeah, it's a tractor. They got shades over the COVID shelters. I don't know why people would sit in those COVID shelters with the heat we've been having lately. It'd be hotter than a greenhouse, I reckon. What's he doing? Got a bit of weed killer down, I think. Let's have a little look up through Cullompton, shall we, guys? I'm gonna have to stop these cars. They're getting too close to me. Hey fella. Yeah. Hiya. Oh, there's loads of them. Hello, mate. Hello. Hiya. Hi, fella. Yeah. Jesus, that's a big group. Hiya. Yeah, that was a big group. I don't know whether he's part of it. Hiya. Yeah. Oh, I thought we'll have a little look through Tiverton this morning, guys. Hiya, hiya. Nice to see so many cyclists out this morning, and I've seen quite a few. Not surprising on a day like this, being the weekend as well. Nice and clear. Oh, I'm glad they've tarmacked this road, because it was really, really bad. It's not the smoothest of new roads, if you know what I mean. But I always remember about here, God, there's potholes everywhere. But I'm going to be taking a right at this roundabout. Hi fella. And we'll have a look up through the town. Got a few early morning shoppers out. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it, guys? Look how overgrown that footpath is. That's mad, isn't it? Bit of a tailback behind them. So I'm just leaving Tiverton now, guys. I've done 23 miles and 979 feet of climbing so far, and I'm heading back in towards Exeter again now. Oh yeah. Gorgeous here, doesn't it, guys? I'll just sort these potholes out. Sort the roads out. Oh, there's more roadkill there, look. Poor badger. I've seen it all this morning, haven't I? Squirrel, fox, badger, birds. Yeah, it's surprising how much wildlife is killed by motorists. Hey fella, alright? I literally just stopped, so I thought I'd show you the bike and the setup. Pretty standard. Absolutely loving these bars and the setup, guys. I was thinking about just tilting that saddle slightly forward a bit more. I've been messing around with it, but I'm still not quite happy. A couple more adjustments, I think. I'll do that now and carry on in towards Exeter. I've been caught by one of them. Cost me £100 for the course. Driver awareness course. It's disgusting, isn't it? It boils my blood, I must admit. I see motorists fly tipping like that. It's disgusting. Oh, this road needs a top coat on it. I'm back in Exeter now, guys. I'm going to have a quick look down through the city centre of Exeter, see what's going on. Go on. Didn't look like she wanted to be in town. I don't want to sit in this car's blind spot. I'm just letting him go. So for the stats for today's ride is 40 miles and 1,607 feet of climbing. Right guys, that's it from me for today's ride. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you could like and hype the video, that would really help me out. Until next time guys, keep smiling and riding, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.